Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could breathe new life into your Lenovo laptop, all-in-ones, or notebooks. We're looking at the Arch Memory 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz SODIMM, specifically the 5M30Z7 1755 replacement. In today's world, where applications are becoming more demanding and multitasking is the norm, 16 gigabytes of RAM simply doesn't cut it for many users. This Arch memory module offers a substantial boost, bringing you up to 32 gigabytes of high-speed DDR4 memory. This upgrade can translate to smoother performance in demanding applications, reduced lag when multitasking, and an overall more responsive computing experience. This SODIMM operates at 3,200 MHz, adhering to the PC 4-25600 standard. It runs at a voltage of 1.20 volts, which is standard for DDR4 SODIMM, so it shouldn't put too much strain on your laptop's power system. It's a dual-rank 2RX8 module, which can sometimes offer a slight performance advantage compared to single-rank modules, depending on your system's architecture. Arch Memory emphasizes the use of rugged Tier 1 IC chipsets in their modules. This suggests a focus on both performance and reliability. The company seems confident in the quality of their product, backing it with a lifetime replacement warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered should any issues arise down the line. Upgrading your laptop's memory is generally a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to consult your laptop's manual or online resources for specific instructions. Make sure the SODIMM is compatible with your system before purchasing. Overall, the Arch Memory 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz SODIMM appears to be a solid option for those looking to upgrade their Lenovo laptop's memory. The increased capacity and speed can lead to noticeable performance improvements, and the lifetime warranty provides added assurance. If you're finding your laptop struggling with demanding tasks, this memory upgrade might be just what you need.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.